Hi, my name is Kenneth Berger and I handle nursing home neglect and abuse cases across the Myrtle Beach area and in fact throughout South Carolina. If you're watching this video, you know that Myrtle Beach has become a popular place for people to try to come and enjoy their retirement. In fact, more than 25% of Myrtle Beach's population is over the age of 60. And because of that, Myrtle Beach already has a lot of assisted living facilities and skilled nursing homes with only more to come. Now, I've got parents. I know they deserve the best. And if the time ever comes where I think they'd benefit from assisted living or skilled nursing, I'd want the best for them. The reality is when seniors are placed in nursing homes, they don't always get the best. In fact, like I mentioned, sometimes they get neglected, sometimes they get abused. So what are some of the signs to look for to know if abuse or neglect is going on? One of the most common is bed sores, right? That's when we have skin breakdown. Sometimes it's on the elbows, sometimes it's on the heels. A lot of times it's back there on the tailbone. That's one thing to look for. Another thing is whether or not the sheets have been soiled. A common sign of some type of abuse is if your loved one has become different as far as their personality goes. Do they seem timid? Do they seem quieter? Do they seem withdrawn or afraid? All of those things are warning signs to look for. Has there been rapid weight loss? Again, if you notice any of these signs or symptoms, it could be nothing at all, or it could be that there's abuse or neglect. So what can you do? You can report the abuse, okay? You can report the abuse to the nursing home itself. You can report the abuse to local authorities. You can report the abuse to state government with the Commission on Aging. You also may want to get them, of course, out of the retirement home. That can be easier to say than it actually is to do, but whatever steps need to be taken to get your loved one out of that dangerous environment, we certainly want you to take. And after that's done, or if you need help accomplishing some of those reporting goals and getting your loved one moved, contact a lawyer, okay? We don't want your loved one to suffer needlessly, nor do we want an assisted living facility or skilled nursing center to be able to get away with it and continue doing it to your loved one in addition to other residents. As an attorney, we've got the right to go out and get medical records, to collect evidence, to work with private investigators, to send out freedom of information requests to DHEC to find out this facility's history and if there's a record of abuse. And at the end, what we're really there to do is just to demand accountability. We want you and your family to be safer. We want other residents to be safer, and we want these nursing homes to know that they flat out can't get away with it without being held accountable. If you have any questions whatsoever about a potential nursing home neglect or abuse case, or if you just have questions that you want that peace of mind that your loved one is safe, contact us. You can do so right here on the website through our live chat feature or the contact form. You can also just simply call us. No matter which way you choose to reach out, know that we are here to help. We're here to answer your questions, and we're here to make sure that your family member is kept safe.